I first heard about aerobotics on the radio actually, listening to radio discussion, I think it was on Keck Talk, and I stumbled onto them again a little bit later on, and I followed the blog, and I was a regular reader. And my position at Aerobotics is within the client success team, and I'm a client success agent, and we mediate between the business development managers on the ground that deal with our clients, between them and also our technology teams, our data teams, operation teams, and just keep things running smoothly. We're also a second point of contact for any of our clients that have concerns about the product or any questions, and our business development managers on the ground are not available. We're that next point of contact, and we're more than happy to help. And we play an important role in keeping everyone on the same page and everything running nice and smoothly with clear and open communication. I have a background in horticulture and client services, and together with my keen interest in technology, I was naturally drawn to aerobotics. But when I found out aerobotics was looking for someone to join their client success team, I grabbed the opportunity and applied, and I'm really happy about making that decision. Every member of the team is so passionate about what they're doing in their field of work that it's kind of contagious, and you can talk to anyone in the team, any one of the teams, and they're all really excited about what they're doing, and it just makes you excited about what you're doing, and the way that everyone works together is inspiring. Quite an eclectic mix of skills and expertise that I think helps me to be really relatable and real with our clients on the ground, and together with the client success team, I think this will help to really create that world-class experience for all our users.